shaped me to this person today. I am grateful to have you as my parents. Please know that your sacrifice and dedication have not gone unnoticed, and I am grateful for all that you have given me. I may not show my loving side, but all I just wanted to say is I love you both and I am forever thankful for you.
Sekisha Ukol.
Sige, sa una ayanan, okay na siya, okay na siya. Okay, go.
Mommy and Daddy, I just want to thank you because you do work so hard just I love you, Mommy and Daddy, and stay safe always.